Like, wow, hello all of you. So I've been telling people this, I cook inside my stove, on top of my stove. And it's a timing issue. And this being morning, I have great coals for frying and roasting stuff. So I'll roast potatoes in there in the morning. And so I have a skillet and channel locks. Watch me turn my foot now. And I often use the wood. When I bake potatoes, I'll pull them out, put them right on the wood. I'll use this wood as a table. A lot of times I use the wood as, these are fiddleheads. A friend of mine's family gathered them. So a lot of times, right in the stove, I'll use this kind of plank wood, flat stuff, you see here, as my eating table or my cutting boards. Very often I use these cutting boards, and then you don't have to wash them. Throw them in the stove, burn them up, that's it. And so in the winter I just keep my whole kitchen set up on top of wood. And on the top of the wood pile I usually have flat planks. I do wood cutting there. I put hot stuff down. I fry when I have coals. If you take your shovel and push all the coals back and make a spot in the front, you throw potatoes. I can get 4 across and I roast them in there. And as a matter of fact, right up here I have always hot water, and I have a bail to bail it out. So I'm always ready to cook some with hot water or coffee. And then I have a tea kettle. That's rice and beans in that pot that I cooked this morning. And this is a trivet that helps a lot. And here's those cast iron skillets have a wooden board that comes with them, which I use as a cutting board. And those potatoes I roasted yesterday. I'm going to set them down. And now that my fiddleheads have all got color, they're pretty sauteed. Well, I got a lot. That went faster than I thought I was gonna have to do this with one hand. Oh, yep. Yeah, I'm gonna overfry my fiddleheads if I totally brown my potatoes. But well, now I'm going to give away a secret. This is my house seasoning. I pre-mix my seasoning. You pre-mix the stuff that you know you're going to eat on everything. And this is my house seasoning, which is garlic powder, onion powder, celery salt, usually white pepper or black pepper. And then that goes on pretty much everything. I can add whatever else I want. So yeah, I'm going to get that in. Get that frying. A little bit more. I guess I'm going to have crispy fiddleheads and not crispy potatoes, because I overfried them. Anyway, I shut the door, not a problem. That's how you do that. That's frying in your cook stove. And then here's tongs, regular tongs. That's how I do potatoes. Put your baked potatoes in the front, you roll them, you always flip them. The first flip takes, you wait the longest because potatoes went in cold. Wash them and then put them in. First flip takes the longest, then the second flip, and then usually I turn them, I flip them over, and I do them head to tails. So that all sides hit all 6 sides get timed towards the cold. And, you can roast your potatoes, you can get them so crispy on the outside and baked soft on the inside. It's like a baked potato skin. You can mix your herbs right into the potato. Oh, And the skin is like a cup. Or you can keep the skin soft if you don't roast them that far. But you can definitely cook like this. And then also, you can use the fire to sterilize your tongs. Grab some coal, stick it in the fire, and they get a little ashy. Ash is good for your stomach, but now you don't have to clean the tong, but every couple of days or once a day, depending on how you use them. And if you have tongs that lock into place, then when the tongs have a lock on them like that, I clamp sausage or hunks of meat and chicken and stick them in. I just let them toast on the coals. So I use those coals all the time. I cook inside the oven. I try to cook in the inside of it as much as I can because I love roasted stuff. Anyway, that's enough. All right. So cooking inside your wood stove. Really, Neil Box. Adios.